Hi everyone, I am Bindeshwar from Post Network Academy, and in this video I will explain you about data structures. This is a paper or subject in a computer science which is very important to build any program. Basically, a program consists two parts. You can say that if you want to write a program, so first you have to understand about algorithms. Second, data structures. So you can understand that how much importance of data structures for a making program. So if you define data structure, I will start from data structure. Later I will add algorithms and analysis of algorithms, but I will start from data structures. So you can say that just what is your data structure? So it is a mathematical or logical model of particular organization of data. Data items. Now see that what does, if you choose two things, so you can understand by that data structure specify these two things: organization of data and the second one, accessing methods. That means how to organize so that you can access in easy way. You can say that also data structure is a representation of logical relationship existing between individual elements of data, or you can say that it is a way of organizing all data items that considers not only the elements but also their relationship. So not only storage, but what is the relationship between items or among items. So see that gradually we will understand about data structure once we see some data structures. Now I am going to explain you types of, or you can say that classification of data structures. So if you divide data structures, so there are two types of data structures. The first one is primitive. I'm writing here primitive, and of course the second one non-primitive. Non-primitive. In primitive, you can say that it may be, it is, you can say that integer, float, character, and also pointer that holds the memory of a variable. Now see that non-primitive data structure. So basically there are three types. The first one very popular, array. Second one, lists. Third is files. In list, basically there are two types of lists. So first one, linear, and second type is non-linear. In linear, there is stack and queue. I'm writing here. Non-linear, graphs and trees. So one by one we will come on these data structures, but understand what does primitive and non-primitive means. First of all, I have written, thereafter we will understand why integer is primitive, why array is non-primitive. So let us take another page. So primitive data structures, if you talk about primitive data structures, primitive DS. So see that primitive data means these are basic structure and are directly operated upon by machine instructions. Okay, directly you can say that directly operation can be performed, but non-primitive data structures, that means These are derived from the primitive data structures. So I will give you example. Here I have just drawn my mind map. So suppose that there is integer, and an array can consist, you can say that, array of integers. You can say that array, the integer is primitive data, but array of integers, that means array consists many integers. That means non-primitive or derived from primitive ones. So this was about just basic introduction of data structure. In the next video I will start from array, which is a very basic data structure. Thereafter we will move to others like stack, queues, and list, graphs and trees. And primitive one are very easy: integer, float, character, you might already know, and pointer. This is the concept from C++. You can say that C++ came later. We will also talk about these things, but I will start from array and we will gradually understand all concepts. So thanks for watching the video. In upcoming video I will explain about array. So thanks for watching the video.